Hi everyone, we are here on location. We're actually filming the Anarky Labs promo video for their product launch, which will be in a few weeks. And obviously yesterday we seen the release of the DJI Air 2S, which we just found out is compatible with the smart controller. So I want to find out if this will be part of Anarky Labs roadmap. So if Hanno, can you come over here?
Sure.
So
Yeah.
some of you will remember Hanno from our last videos. Just want to ask you, the DJI Air 2S was released yesterday, and it's compatible with the smart controller, which of course is part of the AR solution that you're working on.
Yep.
Will this be part of your roadmap?
Yeah, definitely. So we are aiming to support all the platforms that are compatible with the smart controller. So definitely will be on our roadmap along with all the others.
Fantastic. Well, there you go. So the DJI Air 2S, which was just released, will have the compatibility with the AR solution. So that gives it so much more perspective that you can use with it. So anyway, thank you Hanno, thank you everyone, have a good weekend and fly safe.